Hello dancers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yelena and this is Ballet for All. Today we're going to be doing a follow along video for stretching, and I'm basically going to be guiding you through a routine that you can use either for warm up, a stretch after your workout, but also you can use it to improve your splits. Let's have a quick look to what we are going to be actually learning today, and then let's get to the exercises. Okay, exercise number 1, we are going to do a butterfly position, upright position, and we are going to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to roll down, and you either use your elbows to push down or extend your hands forward and just relax your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We recover up, and now we are going to open our right leg to the side. And we are going to do 4 souplé to the side or pour the bras to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up. 3 more. 3, 4. Make sure that this side is really long and stretching. We recover up, and we are going to change to a pigeon position. Make sure that this hip is down so we stay square. If you can't make a straight line between your toes, your knee, and your hip, like a 90-degree angle, then you can bend a little bit your knee. It's fine. Okay, once we are in this position, we are going to roll forward and we are going to hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. We recover up. Now we are going to stand in our knee, line, a straight line with your hip, toes pointing up, and we are going to go forward and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we go to a lunge position. If you consider this being a little bit harder for you, then drop your knee down, point your toes, and just stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going down just to increase the stretching. Now remember, if you can step your toes and stretch your knee, more than welcome to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now we are going to the side. And we are going to hold it, and then we change to the left. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change and repeat the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now we go to a lunge position. Drop your knee down, and we're gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to your elbows. Increase that stretching. Feel your hamstring stretching. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We recover up, and we are going to a pigeon position. Make sure that your hips are square. And now we drop down. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. We recover up, and we are gonna do for the bra to the side or for souplé to the side. Let's do it. Three. And last one. Hold it a little bit. Stretch this side. Awesome. Now lay on your back. We are going to do some develope stretching. Okay, so we are going to do passe, develope. Hold your leg under your calves and you're going to pull towards you. We are going to hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and flex. We're going to do that 4 times. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stretch. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flex down and change. Passe, stretch, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and flex. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and flex. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. Last one. Pull really strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, dancers. So dancers, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me in this class. I will strongly recommend you to do these exercises as often as you can. Not only for stretching, not only for warming up, but also to improve your split flexibility in general. If you have a yoga block, some books, something that can help you to lift your legs a little bit out of the ground, let's try splits now. This is the time to increase that stretching. Okay, let's do it. You can do it with 1, with 2, you can do 1 in this position, you can do anything you want. You will notice that when I do the splits to the back, I'm gonna use the block under my knee, close to my thigh, because I believe that first, increase the stretching, and second, I think it feels safer for my knee, the pressure. Okay, dancers, so now that's it. Thank you very much for joining me in this class. I do hope that you enjoy it, you like it, and if you did so, please let me know in the comments below. Now, bye-bye and see you next time.